If there's anything I hated the most since my childhood, it's the surveys. Why? Well, it's because of these fake surveys are something I despise truly, and I know you do too. Now Apex Legends is a new game that has been trending since the last week. It has doubled the amount of people watching it over Fortnite on Twitch, and some people, by some people I mean
Yes! Baby! Let's go! Woo! Okay! We're farming W's! Let's go, baby! Let's go,
Clean that whole team.
reckons that this could might as well be the Fortnite killer, which in my opinion I don't think that would be the case. I have played the game and I must say, even though I am not a big fan of such sci-fi-esque, I don't know if that's even a word, sort of games, but it's certainly a good game and I have playing it quite a lot lately. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it is, and I think both Fortnite and Apex Legends can continue to peacefully coexist. But please let me know in the comments what according to you is the better game, or if you're like me who enjoys playing both, then hit the like button. Hey, what's up guys, Aditya here. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Done? Alright, let's get started. Right now you can play this game on PC, PlayStation and Xbox, but the one thing that it is not available for yet is mobile device, both Android and iOS. And it is so funny, you search for Apex Legends mobile on YouTube and there are so many videos of people showing tutorials on how to get the game working on mobile device. It's all bogus. I'm not even sure if the mobile server is ready yet. And funny enough, there's actually a video with over 50,000 views that shows you how to install Apex Legends on mobile device, and it's not even legit. And the sad part is that it has over 50,000 views, which means at least 45,000 have fallen into this trap. It's actually crazy. The likes are still more than dislikes. There are comments which I don't know if it is real or fake, but it is quite interesting to see this guy claiming that this game works on a phone, which I know is totally fake, false. And these videos, man, Apex Legends on mobile and Android iOS. When you watch the video, he basically tells you a website to go through that looks pretty shady. Then he also continues to show the gameplay, the PlayStation gameplay, with an on-screen control overlay on top. So what I'm gonna do is risk installing this app on both my Android and iPhone. Now before I proceed, I'd like to warn you all not to try what I'm about to do with my phone, as I'm certain that this might be some malicious application or some sort of spyware. It actually looks semi-legit, but always read the URL guys, and judging by that only I can say that it's totally fake. There's not even a chance of this being a real deal. Here it asks to choose the platform. I'm gonna go ahead and download the Android one. Let's download this. And surprisingly enough, we even have an APK downloading. The stock download manager is taking too long. I'm gonna transfer it to ADM. If you don't know, ADM is a pretty good and fast download manager for Android. So now while we wait till it's downloaded, let's check the iOS version. So here I go to the video again and open up the website, iOS, and let's download. Bam! I have to install 2 random applications in order to unlock the game, and even if I install both the applications, there's just no way this will ever get unlocked. So let's go back. In iOS you get no app whatsoever. You are directly greeted by the offer completion page, and I knew this was gonna happen because it is not easy to sideload apps on iOS. Alright, it's time we check what the APK has going on for it. Let's install. Okay, it is installed. Here you go. And here goes nothing. Whoa, what? It actually looks pretty darn legit if you ask me. Asking me to touch the screen. Fake, but have to say it looks semi-legit. I know this is a video cause in the real game you can actually skip this intro, but here you can't, but still it looks pretty cool.
Each fight for their own reasons.
I knew your every move. Shoot her ready.
From the ashes of war, legends are born. They're icons of strength and power.
Time to win.
Outside the ring, they're champions.
You guys miss me?
Inside, they're equals. But the goal remains the same. Become an Apex legend.
Fight strong.
They say it's a sport of survival. You ask me, it's simple, eh? They kill you, they're better. You kill them, you're better.
Okay, so it has finally asked for the mobile verification, and if I'm not wrong, it's gonna give me the same offer completion thing that we saw on the iOS version, and here you go. But you know what? I'm actually gonna try completing this. Yeah, let's see what happens after installing these apps. Guys, I'm about to get this malware or some potential spyware on my phone, so please leave a like. Deny. Guys, never allow any such apps permission to sensitive stuffs unless you really trust the app. I'm gonna run it for a few seconds and I'm done. Let's go back. Okay, so now it says download one more app to play Apex Legends Mobile. I didn't expect this page to actually work, but surprisingly enough it is actually functioning. Okay, so I'm exactly going to do as instructed. So let's install the second app. I'll run this for a few seconds. And let's go back. Now weirdly, for some reason it says hack ready but complete 3 more offers to unlock the page. You kidding? Because I already have above 2 apps installed on my phone, I'm just straight up gonna click on the third one. It has opened a page full of ads and you can barely find the content. I wonder if this is not against the AdSense policy. It wants me to play the cricket quiz, so I have to go through 10 questions. While I go through all the 10 questions, I'm gonna cut this scene directly to the last. After answering all the 10 questions, after getting through all those pages with tons and tons of ads and redirects to nowhere. Yeah, due to so many redirects, I have to open the history page in order to go to the offer page. And now it wants me to allow the notifications for some reason. So guys, as you saw, nothing happened. Told you earlier that the game is not legit. These guys are just making fool of you all and making money off it. Doing all these offer completion thingy. But just for the complete satisfaction of you guys, let's go back to the game to check if anything changed there. And no. So there you go guys, it's all fake, it's not genuine, it's all bogus. I'm gonna now uninstall all the apps I just installed, and I'm also gonna uninstall the so-called Apex Legends I just installed. Also, the real game would be about a gig or two. It certainly wouldn't be under 200 MB. So this is also a sign of a malicious app pretending to be the real game. I'm doing this so you guys don't have to do this. Now I guess that is pretty much it for this video guys. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more. such videos. Actually, I'm experimenting. So if you subscribe to this channel, it will encourage me to upload more and more. So comment down what you think about all these fake videos going around YouTube. The mobile version is nowhere to be seen. If you open the EA official website, the mobile Android or iOS version is nowhere to be seen. The game just came out, so there is just no chance of mobile version releasing too soon.